So let's start with this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So we start over here, count over three digits. 1. So I'm gonna actually draw this. 1, 2, 3. So right there is where the comma goes. Okay. So look at this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll start here. 1, 2, 3. So right here is where the comma would go. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Come over. I'm not going to draw it this time. I'm just going to show you. 1, 2, 3. So comma go there. 1, 2, 3. But you can't put a comma out in front of the number, so you can't put any more commas there. Okay. You can never have a comma to start the number. All right. 1, 2. Okay, so we're going to count over 1, 2, 3. So it should be one here between the 4 and the 5. Count over 1, 2, 3. Could be one right here as well. Okay. And the biggest one over here. It's a big one. Let's count over 3. 1, 2, 3. Between the 8 and the 9. 1, 2, 3 between the 5 and the 6. 1, 2, 3 between the 2 and the 3. And we can't do any more. That one has 3 commas. All right, so when you're saying a number, the comma is where you would say the unit, the word, okay? So like, for instance, this would be, you would say 1,000 here at this comma. So you would say 1,234, okay? This one here. This comma would also say 1,000. 12,000. So you just say the number before the comma, 12. Then you would say 1,000 for the comma. Then you just say the number afterwards, 345. Right? Look at this one. You say the number before the comma, 123. 123,000. That's what the comma says. 456. Now in this one we have 2 commas. This comma is going to now be in the millions. Okay, so this is millions, this is million and thousands. So 1,234,567. See how you just say the number that's before the comma and then you say what the comma says? Here, 12 billion. So this is the third comma. So the third comma is billions. So 12 billion. 345,678,901. All right. Pretty simple when you get the hang of it. Just take a little practice. All right, 2, solve each expression. Record your answer in standard form. Okay, so the expression is 5 tens plus 5 tens. Well, I know 5 tens is 50, so 50 plus 50. Now when they ask for standard form, they're just asking for a number. So 50 plus 50, 100. That's easy. 300s, so that would just be 300 plus 700s, 700. So what's 300 plus 700? That would be 1,000. Okay. 400,000s, so let me write that, 400,000 plus 600,000s, 600,000, so 400,000 plus 600,000. So we know that 4 plus 6 is 10, right? 10. Then how many zeros are after that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's put 5 zeros after that. Now we can count where to put the commas. So if I go 1, 2, 3, be one here. 1, 2, 3, it'd be one here. That would be 1 million. Okay. Now you wouldn't have to say that comma here because it's all zeros before that. So you'd say 1 million and that's it. Okay, 8,000. So 8,000. 4,000s. Okay, 8 plus 4 is 12, so that's going to be 12,000. Those are simple enough. 3. Represent each addend with place value disks in the place value chart. Show the composition of larger units from 10 smaller units. Write the sum in standard form. So addends, these are addends because you're adding them together. The sum is going to be the answer here. Okay. So we're going to add these together. Let's just start by putting them on the place value chart. So 4,000s, let's put 4 in here in the thousands place. 1,100s, let's put 11 here. Oops, lost my place. 10, 11. I like to separate them by groups of 10 because that's what I'm going to have to do. I'm going to have to circle a group. Since I have at least 10 here, 10 hundreds equals 1,000. So I'm going to group these 10 hundreds and move them over here. It's going to give me another 1,000. Oops. Okay. So that leaves me, at this point, we just forget about all these that are circled in here because all of those are inside this dot here now. Okay. So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,000s and 100. So 5,100 is our answer. All right. So now we have 24 10,000s and plus 11,000s. So 10,000s are right here. We have to do 24 of these. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10. I like to do groups of 10, rows of 10. Okay, that's at 20 now. I had 24, so 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And then thousands, we have 11. So 1, 2, 10, 11. Okay, so when we're regrouping, we're going to start as far as we can on the right side. So we're going to start with the thousands. Now the reason we do this is because when we regroup, we're going to put some over here, and that sometimes could add another, could make just enough to make another group of 10. Okay. So we have 10 here. These 10,000s become a 10,000. We can't circle anymore. And the 10,000s, now we have 25 here because I just added 1 here. So 10 here becomes 100,000. The 10 here becomes another 100,000. Now remember, when we're writing the final answer, we're forgetting about everything we circled that's gone because it's in the, it's not gone. It's not gone, it's just in these other dots that are already here now. So we're not going to count them. So we have 200,000s. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 10,000s. And then we have 1,000. So that's 251,000. 251,000. Oops. 251,000. Okay. All right, let's look on the back. Okay, it says, use digits or disks on the place value chart to represent the following equations. Write the product in standard form. Okay, 10 times 3,000s. Okay, so now I'm going to do the first one using number disks, and then I'm going to do the next one using just digits, just to give you a different idea of how you can do these, because it says you can use either or. Okay. So let's just start. Okay, so 10 times 3,000. Let's put 3 in the thousands place. When we multiply them by 10, say times 10. Okay, that makes 3 over here now. Because remember, when we multiply by 10, we can just move things to the left one place value. That gives me 3 10,000s. So 30,000. How many thousands are in this answer? How many thousands are in 30,000? Well, 30, right? And if we counted these out, if we actually multiplied by 10 for all these and wrote all the dots out, there would be 30 dots here. But that's a lot of extra work. All right, 3 10,000s, 2,000s times 10. Let's put the 3 10,000s in and the 2,000s in. 3 here, 2 here. Oh, you know what? Let's erase that because I said I was going to do the digits this time. I mean, if you want to use number discs, that's fine. I wanted to show digits this time. So 3, 2, basically. Okay? Multiplying by 10, move them over, right? 3 here, 2 here. The rest would be zeros if you're writing the number out. Okay? So 320,000, the comma would go here. 320,000. How many thousands are in this answer? Well, 320,000, 320, right? 320,000s. Okay, 32,104 ones. Now, this last one you can solve it however you want. Digits or discs. I guess I'll just use digits again. So 32,000. Actually, you know what? Because it's 32, I think I'm going to use. Yeah, I think I'm going to use the discs. So 32,000's in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 30 and then 2. 100 for ones. Okay. All right, so we're multiplying it by 10. I can't group any of these into groups of 10 or this, so, but we can do these. So let's group of 10 here, here, and here. Okay. So okay, so this is our number here, 32,100. Oops, I see it. Okay, now I see it. Okay, there's a mistake here. Something didn't look right. I was trying to figure it out. Okay, so I meant to put 4 ones and I put 4 10s. So that's just me looking through my phone while I'm doing this. It makes it hard sometimes. Okay. So we're going to kind of not look at these numbers that are these dots that are circled, but we still have to multiply by 10. I just regrouped. I haven't multiplied by anything yet. Okay, so multiply by 10. 3 over here. These 2 are going to come over here. Okay. So that leaves us with a 3 here, 2 there, 1 here, 0, 4, 0. That's our number. 321,040. Okay. How many thousands are in your answer? Well,